To make a twin star quilt block, you will need 4 different fabrics. Cut 2 5-inch A pieces, 1 5.5-inch B piece, 1 4.5-inch C piece, 1 5.5-inch F piece, and 4 4.5-inch F pieces. Cut both 5-inch A pieces in half on the diagonal. Place 5-inch pieces A and B on top of one another. Cut diagonally. And then turn your mat and cut diagonally again. I clearly need to replace my rotary cutter blade. Lay out the triangle pieces just made from A and B as shown to form a larger triangle. Place right sides together and pin. Where I am pinning will serve as a reminder that this is where we sew. Chain piece all 4 sets with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Snip the threads. Press seams towards the darker fabric. Place the A pieces and the triangle sets we just pressed right sides together. Pin as shown, this is where we will sew. Chain piece with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press seams toward the A fabric. Square up to a tidy 4.5 inch square with a cutting ruler that has a 45-degree angle line. Lay out all the pieces as shown. Pin in rows right sides together. Sew the seams where the pins are. Press the seams all in one direction on the first row. Then press the seams to the opposite direction on the second row. Carry on alternating directions. Nest the seams and pin right sides together. Stitch with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press seams to the side, and now we finally have a beautiful twin star quilt block.